In this house, a young girl is calmly drying her hair when, suddenly, the hairdryer bursts into flames. Luckily, she escapes unharmed. In this cement plant in Vietnam, a simple human error will have serious consequences. Within seconds, the situation spirals out of control, a reminder that constant vigilance and good communication can save lives. Here's why faulty lithium batteries are so dangerous. What starts as simple smoke will trigger an explosive chain reaction, forcing all personnel to evacuate urgently. While decorating his house for the holidays, this man climbs a ladder, but as he nears the top, it slowly begins to slip. Before he can react, he loses his balance and tips sideways, crashing onto the patio table below. Fortunately, he escapes unharmed, but the outcome could have been far worse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay safe out there.